Today, I'm going to show you UX Tunnel VPN, a powerful new VPN with fast servers and multiple protocols for unlimited secure browsing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Installation steps. First, open the Play Store by tapping its icon. Once on the home screen, tap the search icon and type UX Tunnel VPN in the search bar. Then press Enter. From the search results, carefully select the official UX Tunnel VPN. You'll recognize it by the VPN icon. Tap Install and wait a few minutes for the download and installation to complete. First launch setup. When installation finishes, tap Open to launch the VPN. You'll be taken to the UX Tunnel VPN home screen. It may ask for notification permissions, which you can allow or cancel. Make sure you have an active internet connection as the VPN needs to load its server list. It might restart during this process, so please wait a moment. Server and protocol selection. This VPN has two main sections, servers and protocols. To choose a server, tap the server section to see available locations. Select any server you prefer, and you can change it anytime. For protocols, tap the Tweaks button to view built-in options. Scroll through and select the protocol that works best for you. Advanced customization. If you prefer custom settings, tap the radio button next to Custom Settings in the top right corner. This opens advanced options where you can select protocols like slow DNS, V2Ray, or SSL settings. Note that some protocols require custom servers while others work with the built-in ones. Connection and sharing. After selecting your preferred server and protocol, simply tap the large Start button on the home screen to connect. The VPN will establish the connection within seconds. To share your VPN connection with other devices, open the side menu. Select tethering and turn on the setting. Conclusion. There you have it, your complete guide to using UX Tunnel VPN for fast, secure browsing. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.